All right, good morning. Today I am at Denver International Airport, and this is the gas station that is just outside the airport where everybody brings their rental cars to put gas in them before they turn them back in. And you can see there's the sign for the airport. And this right here is, I'm gonna say, the most run stop sign in Denver. Because I've been sitting here, I'm waiting for my parents. This is right next to the cell phone lot, and I've been sitting here for a while, and people just whip right by the stop sign. And of course, nobody here knows what they're doing, where they're going, how to get in or get out or get to the rental car place that they're trying to get to, and it's just been chaos. I almost got hit just trying to park into the space. So yeah, we'll see, like that guy. So he just goes right by the stop sign, right into the parking lot. There's people coming from both sides, dodging in and out. It's nuts. This guy, obviously a delivery guy, he knows the danger here. Yeah, this place is wild. So let's see what these guys do. This guy stops. All right, good on you, buddy. Good on you. And the next guy, all right, maybe because I'm holding up my camera, because before they were just whipping in here like one after another. Yeah, I think people might be deterred by me having my camera. But you can see, people are just zipping in, trying to get gas, trying to turn in their rental car and make their flight, which I totally understand. But I don't know. I guess, I don't live in a big city anymore, so I'm not used to this kind of stuff where people are just, going so fast in a very confined space where you can't really see what's around the corner. Like, I don't know. It's just not what I do. It's not what I do at all. But that guy, this Jeep just pulled out, didn't even look to the right. There was somebody coming. Whew. Yeah, this is crazy. Clearly some people don't even see the stop sign, I guess. That guy just stopped because somebody else was crossing in front of him. Unbelievable. Like, oh my God. Oh, this poor lady next to me is trying to back out, and people keep coming around the corner. That's why I backed in, because I knew if I pulled in forward, I'd never be able to get out, because you got cars coming from 3 different directions. Oh, now to add to the chaos, you've got the fuel delivery truck trying to back in. Oh, I bet this is his least favorite stop. Yeah, look at this banana stuff. Hilarious. It's like, gonna go this way. No, I'm gonna go that way. Oh, wait, no. Oh. Yeah, there's somebody coming.